yes, people. So we're going to get straight into this one because I can see a setup forming on gold, and I literally just got into the charts about 4 minutes ago. Okay, about like 8 minutes ago. So the next candle prints in 1 minute 30 seconds. We're going to see if it gives us an entry. If it does, it might be a very quick win, which these are the best days. You start your session. The first trade you take within like 10 minutes of starting your session, it bangs. So we're going to see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated and hopefully I get into this position. Or if not, if the zone blows, then that's just how it is. All right, so the next candle just printed. I want to give you a quick top-down analysis. We have a supply zone right here. On the 1 hour, what's market structure doing? We're bearish. We're pushing down on the 1 hour. On the 15-minute, we're bearish as well. On the 4 hour, we look a little bit more. Actually, we still look bearish on the 4 hour, to be fair. We look like we can have continuations down. Right now, I'm still looking for sells. Even if we can just scalp it to the bottom of these low, get our 1-to-1. But we're going to see how this trade plays out. All right, so we're in this trade on gold. And literally, once again, just like last week, I'm pretty sure, like last week, Thursday, the same thing happened. As soon as we entered, this candle pushed all the way up. So this is looking like such a quick loss, which it does happen. We just have to take these on the chin. As you can see, this literally gave us the breakup candle entry just as it printed. And then the next candle, as soon as it printed, just started pushing up. Kind of curious. I don't know what the market's really going to do. It might still reject from here as well. We do take profit or stop loss. I'm not going to close early, but I'm not too sure what it's going to do. We're going to find out. So once again, the market hasn't yet hit stop loss, but it is pushing down and we are in a very deep drawdown. Can it reject from here? Yes. Is it likely? I don't think so, because I've seen candles move like this before. With such a high momentum candle, you can usually tell within the first 2 candles if the trade's going to be a winner or a loser. So I do reckon that the market is trying to push up a bit more. It might still want to tank, maybe, but maybe this isn't the area that it wants to tank from. So we're going to see how it goes. All right, so if you thought this trade couldn't get any weirder because we was in so much drawdown, it actually can, because of hit take profit. I've closed the position at 1-to-1 on my phase 2 account. As you can see, we managed to hit TP. Now, the reason why I closed and I didn't leave a runner for this trade is because there is unemployment claims in literally 25 minutes. And this firm Equity Edge, you cannot trade news. But I do have a position running on my Funded Next challenge account because you can trade news. So I do want to maximize the profit, because with this much momentum pushing down, I reckon the trade can go for a 1-to-2, maybe even a 1-to-3. So I'm going to try really hold my position with the Funded Next account. As you can see, it's still pushing down. That's still take profit. I'm going to try go for a 1-to-2. Go for a 1-to-2 on my other account because I'm pretty much almost past that, not that far away. And then maybe we can get a 1-to-2. If it hits a 1-to-2 in like the next candle, I might even try push it for a 1-to-3, or wait for news and see what news does, because news could push it even more. Like sometimes news can be super beneficial. So I'm definitely going to see how this does. All right, so as we can see, price is still running down. I'm definitely in some good bit of profit. Oh yeah, nice. I'm definitely going to, if this can hit 1-to-2 in this candle, if this can hit 1-to-2 in this candle, it's running down very nicely. I'm going to try target 3%. I'll probably close some more positions off at 1-to-2 as well. But gold is absolutely going crazy. It has been producing and producing and producing, given so much opportunity to make money. But yeah, I think I've also got such a good understanding of the strategy now, which I didn't a few months ago. And that's why I didn't see the consistency that I wanted. But now I can see the consistency. Even sitting in that much drawdown, I'm fine. I'm not going to cut my loss. I'm not going to make any rash moves. Yes, it does hurt emotionally because it's like, look how close we are to stop loss. This is probably going to be another loser. That doesn't change my actions in the market. I still do the exact same thing. I still show up and follow the plan, because overall, the plan will keep me profitable. It's not about my emotion. It's not about how I feel. The market doesn't give a fuck how I feel. It really does not care. It's just about sticking to the plan at the end of the day. All right, yeah, it looks like I'm about to be triggered out of my position. Pretty sure if it pushes up a little bit more, I'll be out on my Funded Next account, which is okay, because we still got a win. We still secured some partial profits. Majority, actually. I closed majority of my position. Stuff like this happens, especially on news days, which, to be fair, taking a trade before 1:30 news was a little bit risky. I could have waited. So I might look till after 1:30 to see if I can take another position if there's something super clean, because I'm already up for the day. And I closed that full 1% profit on this account, and I didn't leave a runner just because news day, it kind of messes about. I'm very happy for the day. We lost last Thursday. Last vlog is a loss. And this vlog we've won. And in the first vlog, we also won as well. So you can kind of see the real probabilities of trading as well. Because if you see me trade every day, you know, I have wins and losers, but I win more than I lose, obviously. So once again, this might be a short vlog, but it's because everything happened so quickly. Maybe next video, I might go back to setting the camera up and, you know, me trading from my desktop, because it might be a little bit more intimate instead of me having to flick back and forth, show you guys how it's playing out, and then going back to me. You can kind of see two things at once, which is maybe why it was working so well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if this is going to be the end of the video. I'm kind of just YOLOing it at the moment, just seeing what happens, to be honest. But if this is the last part of the video, then thanks for watching, and like and subscribe and everything.